Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a plan with me, and this plan with me is going to be from the week of July 2nd all the way to July 8th. These are the stickers that I'm using. It is from a kit from Willowfields. It is a holiday kit, but it had the red and the blue, so I figured since I don't have a 4th of July kit, I'll be using this kit just to make up for it. I did put washi tape on the bottom from Michael's, the glitter headers, and the sidebar. I already worked on all of that. And now I'm getting my notes from my personal planner. So to begin, I'm trying to put down a little things um, to mark my coffee, because as you guys know, I have coffee just about every morning, but I didn't like how it looked. I was just like, no, it's not working with me. So I took that off and I just went ahead and I put Coffee Junkie, and that sticker is from the kit. I love Willowfields because she has so many different stickers in the kits, and they are super affordable. I think you can find the kits for about $6 to $8, but the only bad thing is that it does take forever to ship. So now I'm putting this glitter laptop on a heart mini checklist, but I used it to mark down that I'm uploading the plan with me that you guys saw last week, the one using the Shop Jessica Hearts kit in Wildflower. I really loved how my last week's spread turned out, and I was like very anxious to see how this week's spreads would turn out because I didn't have any full boxes, but you guys will see what I do. So now I put down a little things together with my Happy Mail, because I had to mark my Happy Mail. For me, my Happy Mail is not only my stickers, but also like my makeup or anything that comes in the mail. That to me is Happy Mail, because I'm so happy to receive it, because sometimes I do forget that I buy certain stuff online, and then when I get the package I get so happy because I'm like, yes, I got some Happy Mail. And then I did go and put a to-do label, and I basically just did my own little heart checklist, because the heart checklist that came with the kit, it was very Christmas theme-ish. So I basically marked that I needed to go to Costco, Hobby Lobby, and do the voiceover for the plan with me. And on the sidebar, I did put fitness, but I didn't go to the gym that week. And for my work weekly tracker, I did mark all the whole time that I worked, like from 9 to 6, 9 to 5 are my days off. And for dinners, I forgot to write down my dinners, so I just left that blank. And I did take my vitamins, so I went ahead and checked those things off real quick. And now for Tuesday, I put down a glitter flag, and I basically just marked down that the hotel has been booked already for my bachelorette, and it's going to be in Vegas, which I'm super excited for. I literally can't wait. And then I'm putting down another little things just to block off the little header that's there. I put a like 2 cups toasting, and that icon is from the kit, and I basically just marked down dinner, but I do change that a little bit later, and I just wrote in that it was my friend Mona's birthday dinner, and I was trying to remember the name of the place, so I had to like Google it and then write it down. As you guys can see here, I totally forgot that my phone comes out in the frame. But yeah, so I went ahead and I marked that down. So I changed the little things, I removed that one, and I get a new one. And as you guys can see, I put like date night, but that's the sticker that came out in the kit. But then later on, I did notice that there was a sticker that said girls night. So I take off the date night and I switch it for girls night, just because I felt like that was a little bit more appropriate, if you will. And after marking my girls' night out, I do get a little pink half box, and it is like a little heart checklist, just to cover that header, just because I didn't want to be whiting out anything. So I got these cute little nail polish and nail polish remover icons from the kit as well, and they're super super cute. And I basically just marked that I needed to remove my nail polish and paint my toes, because I've been really lazy and I haven't gone professionally to go get my toes done. But I had to make sure that they were still looking cute, because it was 4th of July on a Wednesday, so we were going to go to the beach. So I just wanted to make sure that they were looking cute, because I was going to wear sandals. But then I get a little icon of a laptop, and I basically just mark a YouTube binge. I'm always YouTube binging. And for the full boxes, as you guys can see here, I didn't have any. So what I did is I got the same washi that I used in my bottom washi, and I basically just did my own full boxes. So right here, I'm just, cutting the sides, the extra washi with an X-Acto knife, I believe it's called. And I basically just marked Independence Day, and I really, really love how it turned out. After that, I get two glitter headers, and they were the last two that I had in the kit, so I figured I would just use them. And I put date night because that's basically what me and my babe had. We had a date night on Independence Day or on 4th of July. He took me to Huntington Beach because he was like, we need to go. You're going to love it. And I was like, okay, fine. So normally we always do something with my family, but this time we went on our own, which was very different, but it was really, really nice. And I basically marked down Huntington Beach. Then I got the other washi with the stars, and I did the exact same thing. I cut off the extra, and then I marked that we had the fireworks show at 9 p.m., which was so beautiful, you guys. I've never been to watch the fireworks by the ocean. And I must say, I told him, I was like, we need to come every single year. It's so beautiful and so peaceful because as you're watching the fireworks, it looks like the fireworks are falling into the ocean. But not only that, but you hear the noise of the ocean, so it's a lot more peaceful. The only bad thing is that we were looking for parking for about 2 hours till we finally found a parking. So I did tell my honey that next year we're actually trying to either rent out kind of like a condo by the beach, or if not, like a hotel, and have like a little party with our friends, because why not? And then this freebie came with Willowfields, and it's a cute little kitty holding a coffee cup. And I definitely had to mark down that I had coffee on Thursday morning. But I did go back real quick to Tuesday and mark down that I went to Target. I had totally forgot that I did that. And then under that, I did another mini 3-heart checklist. I put my film sticker from Obsessed with Cute, which her shop is no longer available. And I just marked down that I had to do my flip through for my personal planner that I just purchased, which was super, super cute. And I got a strip of washi. Oh no, actually, it was two little things and I snagged them together. I'm so sorry about that. And I got a cute little laundry basket from Lavin Forest to mark that we did laundry on Thursday because it was my day off. And then my hubby gets out of work around 3-ish. So then he came and helped me with that. And then I put a glitter flag, and I marked that I went to the pool with my babe, and we got really sunburned, you guys. But it's okay. I love my tan. And then on the bottom, I put another glitter flag, and it's in like a pink color, and I went ahead and I marked that we went to Highland to visit my tia, which we haven't done that in a while, and she had just came from Mexico, so I had to mark that for sure. On Friday was payday for both me and my hubs, so I marked that. And then I got the washi tape again to make a full box. And on Friday we were supposed to go, well, I was supposed to go celebrate my boo Monica's birthday with her, but something came up, something had happened, so I had to cancel it, but I still wanted to mark it down. But later on you see me get a glitter header and just mark cancel on it, and I just put it on there real quick. And then after that, I did have these like circle stickers in the kit. So I wanted to put them to use because it was really hot that day. All day was like 115 to 120 degrees. It was crazy weather, you guys. This summer, the heat always messes me up really bad. And that day, I just felt like crap. Like I was like, oh my God, I feel like I'm going to die. And then I put a little to do sticker, and I put decorate at work for my boo Annalie for her birthday, and we had to pick up the cake, so I also wanted to mark that down. And then I got this cute glitter flag, but it's not all glitter. It's like a little bit of a half of a glitter. And I had exactly 2 of them, so I figured I would mark the birthdays with those. So first I went ahead and I put my Boo Mona's 26th birthday. After that, I put my bill due, and this glitter bill paper looking one is also from the kit, and I just had to post that I had to pay for my Kohl's. And the cute little TV icon is also from the kit, and I was vlogging on Saturday. I did my own full box again, and I put that it was Lily's World of Color performance at 3. So I definitely had to go to that because it's my little baby girl Lily, and I want to have these memories with her. And it was just so beautiful. I was so proud of her. I shed like a tear or two, you guys, but it was so cute just watching her dance up there. And I did also get a cute little heart icon that says that I went to Shakey's with the family. It's been forever since we have all gotten together, like me, my aunt, and my dad's brother, my uncle, and his wife, and the kids, and us, you know, me and my babe. So it's been years. I don't think it's healthy of how many years, but I'm just so glad that we are reconnecting, which is a good thing. So for Sunday, I went ahead and I marked Annalise' 22nd birthday. For my to-dos that I had to do on Sunday, we went to Sephora, Michael's, and Target, and I had a cute little Sephora icon, so I figured I would use that. And I did get another mini 3-heart checklist, but I covered up the checklist with a glitter flag and a plan with me, or a planner icon, and I basically put and noted that I needed to film and edit the plan with me. And then I get another heart icon, and I put that I went to the pool with my babe. And the little trash icon is also from the kit. And just a reminder that I took out the trash, and it was 100 degrees that day, which I was still dying. I swear, I was like, I'm gonna get a heat stroke. And I forgot that on Friday we had a movie night, but that was my full weekly spread, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.